Hi guys. The default language of the Google Chrome browser is usually selected at the installation stage, but it is easy to change it after it. And if English was initially set, then you can translate Google Chrome into another language at any time from the settings page. For this you can use my video tutorial. Everything we need is in the section of user settings. We will summarize all further actions in step-by-step instructions. And so, start Google Chrome and open the browser system menu. To do this, click on the ellipsis in the upper right corner of the screen. In the list, select the section, Settings. It is the third from the bottom, click on it. Scroll down the page that opens, and click Advanced. In the Languages section, click Language. If you do not see the language you need in the list, click here. I hope you find what you need in this window. I will choose Arabic. Check the box, click Add, and now we see that the new language is already in the list. On this line, click on the ellipsis, and here we check the box so that Google Chrome is displayed in this language. The selected language is moved to the top position and the system prompts us to restart the browser, but let's not rush and see what else we can find useful here. In order for Google Chrome to offer translation of pages, this function has already been activated for me. The next section, Check Spelling, this function is also active. Here we can set the check in two levels, Basic Check or Extended Check. A little below, you can configure the check for several languages, and also add the setting of special words. And so, I restart the browser to start working with another language. Google Chrome restarted, and now it is displayed in the language that I previously selected. We can also return to the previous language, or load another and then configure Google Chrome. I go back to the previous language. For this I click here, check the box, and click Restart. My Google Chrome restarted, and it now appears as before in English. I am finishing this short tutorial, and if you liked my review, support me with like, subscribe to my channel, share your opinion in the comments and ask questions. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.